back to the Treadling Homestead. We are getting ready to work on some raised beds and I needed to make some more disinfectant. So I thought I would share the recipe really quick with you guys because I've gotten a few requests for it. So I'll go ahead and do it. Super easy, super clean, super simple. Almost everybody will have the stuff they need for this in their house. It's just white vinegar, tea tree oil, and then top off the bottle with some water. So I was at the dollar store yesterday. They had these 12-ounce bottles in the gardening section. All of the ones in the cleaning section were completely sold out. Don't forget to check the gardening section for stuff you actually need. So, real quick point. I have 2 bottles of tea tree oil here. This one came from an aromatherapy set, and this one I got in the homeopathic aisle at our local grocery store. Here's the tip. You do not want aromatherapy oils for anything that you're using it for a disinfectant. So the main way to tell that, these both say 100% pure tea tree oil. Okay, this one, if you turn the bottle to the side, it says 100% pure tea tree oil, blah, 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 blah. Don't use it if you're pregnant, all that bull crap. Where it comes from. This one, if you look, it has the ingredients listed on it. And it says 100% pure tea tree oil, and it has the Latin genus name on it. If it has the Latin genus name, it is a pure essential oil, and that's the one you want to use. I also know that this one is a pure essential oil because it had the ingredients listed on the box, but since it says for aromatherapy purposes specifically, we're not going to use this one today. We're going to use the one that says essential oil with the genus name listed. So, sorry about Tootsie. She's a little bit upset right now. So, we're just going to take the lid off of this. This is just a gallon of distilled white vinegar. You can use any vinegar that you have. If you have apple cider vinegar, rice wine vinegar, any kind of vinegar that you have will work just fine. This just happens to be the one that I was able to get at the lowest price currently. If you want, I will link in the description below my grocery haul video before everything in the world went crazy. So I'm going to fill this up about 3/4 of the way, 2/3 to 3/4 of the way. What you're looking for is about a cup-ish of the white vinegar in your bottle here. There we go, that'll do. I'll just fill it up to the taper there. You can't overdo the vinegar in this, okay? Yes, it will smell like vinegar when you spray it, but as soon as it dries, you won't have any of the vinegar smell left. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to add your tea tree oil, between 5 and 10 drops. This amount, this size bottle, I'm probably only going to add like 5-6 drops to this size bottle. It's really not that big of a deal. There we go, a few drops of that. The tea tree oil is specifically antifungal, antiviral, which, if you know about the Voldemort virus, as I'm calling it, that's what you want, is antiviral properties. This is just some water that I put in a jar to bring out for this, and I forgot my funnel, so bear with me. And we're just going to top this off with some water. Leave a little bit of a head on it so you can shake it up. Oh, hello, Mr. Stinging butt thing. Alright. Screw the top on. You want to shake this every time before you use it because you're using an actual essential oil and vinegar, so there is no stabilizer in here. So every time before you use it, just give it a good, pick it up, give it a good, and then you're good to use it. This is perfect for doorknobs, for refrigerators, anything like that, because it's made with the pure distilled white vinegar. It will reduce the streaking and stuff like that most multi-purpose disinfectants will give you. And this mixture is better to use on any sort of porous surface than any sort of bleach solution. bleach on a microscopic level creates bridges because it's elastic. It creates bridges over any sort of porous material. The vinegar solution penetrates the pores without actually eroding at the material. So this is the stuff you're going to want to go with. You can use this on shoes to disinfect shoes. You can use this on purses. Ladies, trust me, I know we don't like to think about how gross our bags get, but trust me, whether you use a backpack, whether you use a purse, whatever you're using, it's getting gross out there. Those of us that wear glasses, make sure whenever you come in, whenever you wash your hands, whenever you've been out, come in, wash your hands. Go ahead and wash your glasses with mild detergent, or you can also use this. It will not hurt any coatings that you have on your glasses as far as I know, and I have all of them except for transition on these lenses, and I've been using this. So this is what Josh and I have been using. I also keep one of these small bottles in the car, just like a little baby spritz bottle of this in the car, and I use it to wipe down the steering wheel and the handles and stuff like that for whenever I'm out. You can also throw a little bottle of this type of solution in your purse so that you can wipe down any grocery cart handles or anything like that before you use them. If you're like me and you're kind of don't want to buy into the whole bleach one-time use stuff. So that's the recipe that I wanted to share with you guys today. We're going to go ahead and start working on the raised beds again, and we will see you in the next video when I show you that. See you later from the Treadling Homestead. Are you okay? You know, the more you flail at her, the more she wants to play. Yeah, I know that you're not, but I'm telling you, the more you flail, the more she wants to play.